guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here and excited, for this new video. So I know I'm coming here a little bit different. So if you want to see what video I come up with, then keep on watching.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and
Okay, so this is actually a little bit new for me. I've never done this on my channel. I do makeup, a little bit of skincare, I've done hauls, but nothing like this. But this is still, in the beauty kind of niche, so I just wanted to do something just a little bit different. So I got this right here. This is the holiday lip collection from Juvia's place, and this is so pretty, like so pretty. So pretty. But yeah, so it's all lip. I feel like my lip is gonna hit me after this, but we're gonna go in, we're gonna do swatches, and your girl's gonna test out these, like they're so good, like so good. So yeah, we're gonna test them out. I've used the from the nude collection before, so we're gonna go ahead and yeah, just use this. So this is the whole collection. There's 2 lip liners. So we're gonna go from this is like so bulky, so we're gonna go in. I actually have the lip liners already, and I think I've already used them, but we're gonna go in. So I'm not gonna use these lip liners because I'm actually gonna send this to my sisters. I think I'm gonna go with the glosses first, and then we're gonna move from the gloss, and then we're gonna go to the reds, and then we're gonna go to the berries, because I mean they're all kind of reds, but I've used this a lot in my videos. So there's 2 shades in here, and then it's the ruby and the wine. This one is the ruby, and it looks like so. So that's the ruby. Is that the ruby? Yes. But the wine is just a darker shade. I don't want to use the other one because I want to send this to my sister. So we're gonna skip that part because I'm not gonna open up that other one. Okay, so now we're gonna move into the lip. Same thing. See, I ordered some of the lip already, so I have some of the lip. So we're gonna, just kind of go through them just a little bit and see what is the tea on these lips. I'm so scared because I just feel like my lip is gonna hit me. But I have some lipstick on. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the lipstick. So I'm gonna test them on my hand, and then we're gonna move them to the lip. So let's go. I'm not gonna use liner because Juvia's press liners are amazing. I feel like if I use the liners, it's just gonna be too much, like way too much. So first, let's take off this. I've tested actually some of their glosses, or the older glosses, and they're not my jam. I don't really like the shades, so we'll see if I like these. So this one is called Cultured. Oh my god, this is red. They're all really red. So this one is called Cultured, and let's go ahead and put this here, and it looks like so. So this is Cultured, and let's put Cultured on the lip. Yeah, so this is Cultured. They don't really just like a colored lip gloss, but it feels good, so that's good. It feels good. That's always amazing. Now we're gonna move on to this one. Is called Sweet Bits. So this is like a purpley kind of shade, like a really dark shade. Okay, and this shade looks like so. So this one is like it's shows purpley, but it's really just clear with a purple reflex. So let's take up this red. Maybe I should have put that purple first. My lips is gonna kill me later. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put Sweet Bits on. So I thought this was gonna be like really purple, but not really. See, so this is a really nice, juicy, everyday lipstick, even if it looks purple in here. So yeah, I actually like this one. I like Sweet Bits. Now the next shade we're gonna try is gonna be She's Royal. That's actually one of my favorite like reggae songs. She's royal. I'm royal. Oh, that's what I think. These are like super hard to open. That's like annoying. Okay, so She's Royal is this shade right here. So this is She's Royal. I'm actually just gonna put She's Royal over top, kind of like so. So this is She's Royal, which is it's kind of cute actually. My lips already hurting. Like my lips are already hurting. Oh my god. So this one is called Maroon. Oh, this one is dark. And this one is dark. So it looks like so. So we're gonna wipe this off. Man, I like how juicy this looks. And let's try Maroon on. See, I don't really like lip gloss like this because I feel like it just tastes like patchy. Like when it's really, really dark. I don't know. And I'm not gonna go ahead and put this on my lip perfect because it's just not happening. We're gonna take it all off and put another one. So I'm trying not to make my lip be like just super painful after. Okay, so now we're gonna go into this reddish one, and then this one is called Cherry Love. I actually love cherries. I don't know, this has nothing to do with like, I mean it kind of does, right? The color maybe, but I love cherries. Like wintertime, I'm all over them cherries. Let's take off this. I'm gonna have to get a new napkin, new wipe pretty soon. Oh, this is a true red. This is Cherry Love right here. Let's Cherry Love it, the lips. Oh, this is red. Feel like an orangey red. Again, guys, I know this is not going on perfect, but my lips are already hurting. And we're not even halfway. The next shade we're gonna try is gonna be Ruby Rose. It's gonna be another red. Ooh, this is like fire. And Ruby Rose is like lights. So I feel like Ruby Rose is gonna be nice and just juicy. Yep, Ruby Rose is just a clear lip gloss. Okay, so these were all the lip glosses. So now I'm gonna move into the traditional lipsticks. These are in here tough. Actually, I'm gonna clean this up because we're done with the glosses. I don't know if putting on a white watch was like a great idea, but here we are. So this is the perfect red, which I think is gonna be like, it's so pretty, and it looks like so. So this is the perfect red. I'm actually just gonna take them out from here, and then we're gonna put them on our hands, and then I'm gonna just put them on the lip. So this is Afrique, which is this like right here. So it's pretty similar. I feel like this has more of like a blue undertone, and this has more of an orange undertone. And then So Red is just like, ooh, red, like fiery red. So you see kind of the shades. This is more kind of like a little bit of an orange. So let's go with Afrique. These lipsticks are so high quality, or they feel high quality. Again, guys, I'm not doing this perfect because my lip hurts. So this is Afrique. I like this shade. Okay, and let's move on. Moving along. Okay, and then the next one we're gonna use is the Perfect Red. So they feel good though, you know. And I haven't used their lipsticks before, so I'm not too like. I knew they were gonna feel good. My lips, however, are like hurting. Okay, we're gonna take this off. I still have one of these reds. This is like staining my hands. And now we're gonna move into So Red. This is the one that's kind of more orangey. So this is So Red. I might just like, you know, show you guys swatches of these other ones because I can't. My lips hurt. So I have Fierce right here that I already used. I'm gonna just swatch this for you guys. I'm not gonna put this on my lips because this hurts. So this is Fierce, and I'm gonna show you Frenemy. Frenemy is like a really dark. So this is Fierce and this is Frenemy right here. And then Drama Queen is this shade right here. I've also used these, so Fierce, Frenemy, and Drama Queen. The other shade is gonna be this one. Ooh, this one is pretty. So this is Rouge. So this one right here is Rouge. This is pretty. So I like Rouge, and then Rude Gal, or Rude, I'm just joking, it's not Rude Gal, it's Rude Girl. So I'm just gonna like swatch this, and then I'll like test, actually like test the liquid lips. So this is, man, these are so pretty. This one is Rude Girl, and this one is Oh Damn. This is another dark, kind of darker berry shade, which is this shade right here. So this is one is Oh Damn. So these are actually all the actual liquid lips. These were actually all the traditional lipsticks. It was, yeah. Now we're gonna move on to there was only two actual like liquid lips in here, so we're gonna go ahead and test those. Those I will test on my lips, cause you know I gotta do it just for you guys. But my lips are on fire, on fire, on fire, on fire. Like it hurts so bad, but we're just gonna, you know, keep trucking along. Look at this. This is like stained. Yeah, my lips are like stained. My lips are not usually this red, but we're gonna. And then my back of my hand is stained too. But okay, so I'm just gonna do this real quick because this is just what, again, two liquid lips, and they're not even full size. They're like, you know, they're cute little minis, which is kind of cute. So these are Scarlett and Velvet Red. So this one is Velvet Red, just a really red. And the other one is Scarlett, which is like a dark red, which is this. So Velvet Red and Scarlett. So I'm gonna go, ooh, I have a feeling that these are gonna stand. We're gonna go in with Velvet Red first. So this right here, we have Velvet Red. And let's go ahead and test out Scarlett, which is the last one. Oh, thank God. I want to take this out because this one is a matte lipstick, so this is gonna be like dried really quick. Look at this. This is all stained. This is a lot. What is my foundation brush? Cause that's hurting. Like this, my lips was so stained, so we have to go in. Now we're gonna go in with Scarlett. Okay, Jesus Christ. I know these are not the best lipstick jobs, because I can tell you my lips are hurting. They're so painful. But I just wanted, to try most of the lipsticks. The ones I didn't try, like my hands, this is like stained, so it's just there. So the ones I didn't try was, kind of from the same, what should I say, just from the regular, like, just regular kind of lipsticks. So, or the traditional lipsticks, so those wasn't different. So I tried all the lip glosses. I tried most of the lipsticks, like the regular lipsticks or traditional lipsticks, and I tried the 2 actually matte lipsticks that was in there. The formulas on those lipsticks are amazing. The lip gloss are like, the real glossy ones are like, you can use them for toppers, but the red gloss or the real dark burgundy gloss, not my thing. Might be your thing, I'm just not my thing. But that's why I kind of wanted to try it, so you guys could see how everything goes on. But I liquid lips, it feels good, it looks good, So if you can get your hands on those, I bought the whole collection. You don't have to buy the whole collection. Most of these I'm gonna send to my sisters. But I just wanted to get the whole collection so I could test it out for you guys and just show you guys what the collection is about. I feel like they did a really, really, really good job with, this whole collection and bringing you, all reds. They're all kind of red-ish, berry kind of shade, but, just different kind of shades. So you have, pretty much everybody can use these shades. Like even if you're super, super dark, or even if you're super, super light, I feel like everybody can use this. So they kind of made this collection, for everyone. Everyone? Okay, yeah, I mean, this video, I guess it's gonna be a little bit shorter than my usual videos, which is fine. We like short videos, maybe. No, over here, my videos are long. We like long videos. But that's it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. We're trying to get, to 2,000 subscribers and then 10,000, and then, you know how it goes. So that's it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.